All right, today we're going to take a look at another new Zippo. This is a pretty good one. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And the label says Flag Skull. Just a plain insert. But that is the Punisher, and you can see there's a background flag there. And this is on a high polish finish. I don't really like the high polish too much, but this is a nice one. It's got a really good sound. Comes with a steel insert. And this was made in, it looks like A of January of 18. Pretty good stampings. And like I said, it's got a really good sound. Let's see if we can do a drop test on this Punisher. So the Punisher passes the drop test nicely, and we're going to put him, the new Punisher, with my other Punishers. I only have two other ones right there. And the Punisher definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.